In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're moving to a new computer, freeing up a seat on your subscription, or troubleshooting an account issue, signing out is quick and helps keep your license available where you need it. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, explain what the sign out message means, and share a few tips so you don't lose any work along the way. First, launch Adobe Acrobat on your device. Give the app a moment to fully load your home screen or the last PDF you had open. Before you continue, it's a good idea to save and close any documents you're editing so you don't accidentally leave unsaved changes behind. Also, make sure you have an internet connection. Acrobat needs to talk to Adobe's servers to complete the sign out. On Windows, look to the very top left corner of the Acrobat window. Click the menu button you see there. Depending on your version, it may appear as 3 horizontal lines, a small app icon, or a labeled menu control. If your window isn't maximized, you might need to expand it to see the full set of options. Once you open the menu, you'll get a drop-down list with the common tools and application commands. In that menu, scroll toward the bottom of the list and click Sign Out. In some layouts, you might see your profile name or a circular avatar instead. Click that, then choose Sign Out from the small panel that appears. The Sign Out option is intentionally placed near the end of the menu so it's easy to find, and it may be close to items like Help or Preferences depending on your version. If you don't see it at first glance, slow down and look near the bottom edge of the list. After you click Sign Out, a confirmation dialog will pop up. It will warn you that signing out will deactivate your subscription features on this machine. That simply means premium tools like editing PDFs, exporting to Word or Excel, combining files, and other pro-only features won't be available here until you sign back in. Your subscription itself isn't canceled and your files aren't affected. You're just releasing the license from this device so you can use it elsewhere or sign back in later. To finish, click Sign Out in the confirmation dialog. Acrobat will process the request and return you to a state where you'll see a sign in prompt or a neutral profile icon. That's it. Quick recap. Open Acrobat. Open the top left menu on Windows, choose Sign Out at the bottom or via your profile, and confirm. You're now safely signed out and ready to sign in on another device whenever you need.